Hello everyone. Welcome back to Self-Spark channel. We're here to kindle your inner flame and empower your journey towards self-improvement and personal growth. Today we're tackling a topic that's universal and inevitable in our life's journey: overcoming major setbacks. Whether you're currently in the eye of the storm or you're here seeking inspiration amidst calm, know that you're in the right place. We're inviting you to embark on a journey with us, a journey of resilience and faith. Setbacks can feel like a tempest, shaking the very core of our existence. But remember, it's not the storm that defines us, but how we navigate through it. So buckle up, dear viewers, as we set sail on this journey together. Remember, the tempest that rages today strengthens us for a calmer tomorrow. Stay tuned and let's weather this storm together. In today's video, we're wading through a tempest that shakes the very core of our existence: overcoming major setbacks. This universal, inevitable part of our life's journey is fraught with unexpected twists. But how we navigate these turbulent waters is what truly shapes us. Whether you're in the eye of the storm or seeking a lighthouse amidst calm, you've docked at the right harbour. Let's set sail on this journey of resilience and faith together. Ever wondered what strengthens a piece of steel when it's scorched by the wrath of fire? It's the resilience, the ability to withstand scorching heat and pressure and emerge tougher and more enduring. In parallel, we often hear, "You are stronger than you think. You can weather any storm." Think storm? Think about what anchors a person after they've been swept overboard by a significant setback. It's not just resilience, reflection and faith, but also about accepting vulnerability and finding strength in our lifelines. Remember, the saying, melts the butter, forges the steel. Henry Ford, the trailblazing industrialist, aptly quipped, "Failure is the opportunity to set sail again, this time more intelligently." These words chart a course that teaches us acknowledging a shipwreck paves the way to growth and wisdom. By acknowledging the bitter truth, we lay the keel for progress. Oprah Winfrey also wisely noted, "Surround yourself with a crew who are going to help you navigate." Thus, building strong bonds with those uplift and steer you plays a pivotal role in weathering setbacks. Let's delve deeper into one beacon of resilience: faith. Faith, whether in oneself, a higher power or a cause, can serve as a compass during stormy weather. It's not just hoping for clear skies ahead blindly, but recognizing the tempest we're in while possessing a rock-solid belief in our ability to navigate through. The comforting words of Proverbs 3, 5, 6 implore us to trust in the Lord with all your heart, rely not on understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge him, and he will chart your course straight. Beyond religious conviction, this can also translate to having faith in your own resilience and strength. The Bible offers a safe harbor filled with inspiring verses that underscore the power of faith. Take Isaiah 40:31. "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. And Philippians 4:13. "I can do all things through Christ, who strengthens me." These verses act as guiding stars, reminding us of the power of faith, the belief in a force greater than ourselves that can set our course, bolster our resilience, and help us navigate any storm. Bear in mind, though, that this voyage of recovery isn't a straight run. You'll be met with swells of doubt, setbacks, and challenges. But with resilience, reflection, and faith, you can weather these storms. The next waypoints on this journey of resilience encompass acknowledging the storm, accepting vulnerability, cultivating resilience, reflecting on the situation, embracing faith, fostering positive self-talk, practicing gratitude, building a robust crew, nurturing self-care, and ultimately setting sail. Each of these elements, fortified with faith, propels us forward beyond the storm, just like steel emerges stronger after withstanding the... In the book of James, the Bible says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance." Remember, setbacks are roadblocks. They're merely detours, leading to a path of growth and resilience. You are a phoenix, ready to rise from the ashes. Setbacks give the opportunity to rise stronger, more resilient, and with a renewed sense of purpose. Your setbacks are your setups for a comeback. So to summarize, acknowledge the setback, harness resilience, reflect, have faith, and take action. You are resilient, strong, and capable. Remember, setbacks are not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter that's written with the ink of resilience, reflection, and faith. With every setback, there's an opportunity for a comeback. A comeback that's stronger, more resilient, and filled with faith. Overcoming setbacks and building resilience is not a destination, but a journey. You are on a journey of resilience. A journey that's marked by challenges, growth, and an unwavering faith. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. So keep going, keep growing, keep believing, because with resilience, reflection, and faith, there's no setback that's insurmountable. Remember, the strongest steel is forged in the hottest fire. Similarly, the strongest people are those who've faced and overcome setbacks with resilience, reflection, and faith. So, rise like the phoenix, stronger and more resilient. And remember, the journey of overcoming setbacks is not about avoiding the fire, but learning how to dance in the flames. You are learning to dance in the flames, and you are doing it beautifully. Scene script. Take a moment, grab a journal, and let's dive into reflection. Journaling is an incredible tool that can help us process our thoughts and experiences. As we reflect on our past, present, and future, we uncover valuable lessons. You have the power to reflect and set goals. Reflecting on successes and challenges alike enables us to learn, grow, and build resilience. This is where your journal comes into play. It's your tool for growth. To quote Oprah Winfrey, "Surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher." This powerful statement underscores the importance of seeking support and positive influence during challenging. And remember, you are seeking support and positive influence, and that's a sign of strength. Now, let's move on to goal. Setting realistic goals is crucial for rebuilding and moving forward. Breaking down larger objectives into manageable tasks provides a roadmap for progress and restores a sense of control. It's like taking that first step on a journey of 1,000 miles. Remember, the journey is not about reaching the destination quickly, but about embracing each step along the way. So as we set our sights on our goals, let's do so with resilience, reflection, and faith. As we continue on our journey, we must remember that life is never a straight path. It's filled with twists and turns, and often the unexpected. Change is inevitable, and while it can be intimidating, it can also lead to unexpected opportunities. Let's affirm together, you are embracing change and finding strength in faith. Think of a setback not as a roadblock, but as a redirection to a path better for you. During such times, acknowledge this affirmation. You see setbacks as opportunities for growth. In times of adversity, it's essential to remember that we are not alone. The words of Isaiah 41:10 provide a soothing balm. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. This passage serves as a reminder of the divine strength that supports us through adversity. Setbacks are not the end of your story, but a chapter filled with lessons and growth. Bouncing back from challenges requires time, patience, resilience, and the belief you are resilient and you are growing stronger every day. But having faith can make this journey all the more meaningful. So, as we navigate the ever-changing course of life, remember to embrace change, find strength, faith, and let resilience be your guide. If this message resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more motivational and inspiring content on our channel. Always remember, you are stronger than you think. Stay tuned for the more videos. Thanks for joining us today.